sorry for memory short for. Try to negate. We got the only one serial, but we do not got the Y for 6. Y for 6 imagination. We can't explanation. Therefore, people 18 try to what the tate, what the like a villain mindset, or their any kind of their wisdom. They are trying, but we know like a type of information. Animal goes to like a human goes to like a photon. That's mean we are the following three question. One is sex. This is answerless. Number two is like a human for like a any kind of demand. They maintain their demand. Why for they maintain their demand? Because of they think this is people, this is human demand. They think what they are involved with, therefore need some change. Like a animal for need like a human for like a need like a photon, a bank of photon. Therefore, and in this issue for they arrange like a interior whole world. They arrange their type of demands. They interior their type of demands. Okay. Why for this number third issue are like a type of human know one what they are in Farah explain a type of who the animal they are how they become a human. Therefore a like a photosyn any kind of their DNA photosyn and change. One day they must be look like a human as like a same their photosyn any kind of their oral organ change with like energy with their exercise with their any kind of food with, and one day they are like a now I do ask why for we are the photon, why for Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam Pharaoh and old hero they are called we are photon. Now we are the 2024 why for we are want to be like a photon. These are human last answer is the human all hero call human goes for only for photon. I am asking why for photon, and before answer one is short answer. This is why for human they make like a 6. Do you think all around first unconscious answer is people 18 do not know why for 6, and why for the last answer is the last asking is why for we want to be like a photon. That's mean 6 and photon is the Q. This Q for we are a like a trillion invest, a like a trillion drama where they are in anywhere, where there like a river, where there is like a car, where there is like a building, any kind of okay what they want. Now here we people why for we are thinking, why for we are unconscious, why for we are walking like 1,000 kilometers, and why for and again when we can't then need our need rest, our need a like window, our need a like a door. That's mean who the people call someone inform me. Here I am called who they do not inform. Therefore, that is the unconscious for these two people. One people are called someone inform me. Other people are alone. They call two people are around. Why for these are option are one. Why for 6 and why for they are want to be like a we are goes to for photon. Why for photon and why for 6? This answer and again wherever human history like a thousand years, like a thousand hero, Pharaoh to Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and present 2024, all signs are here are stopped. Why for 6? Why for we are want to be a photon? Same asking whether I'm 5. If you do ask anyone, then they are try to call I am thinking. Pharaoh call I am thinking. Hazrat Muhammad, Isa, Daud, Musa, Ibrahim, all are called I am thinking. But I am thinking, but I give the two clue. a 6 and human destination are like a photon. Now and again I are at last asking, do you know the 6? Do you know what the meaning of photon? And again asking, Fi asking, do you know the 6? Do you know the why for photon? That is the I am Phi. And again start. If you do not know, why for you are walking? Why for you are open your window, your door? Why for you are involved with sex? Why for you maintain a trillion invest like a home, car, plane, aeroplane, boat? You like a type of. Why for river? Why for you fun it? Why for? Why for you reading? Why for you are collecting a money, 1,000 trillion? Why for a hero? Why for? Why for? Why for you like a clothes? Why for I am use like here? Why for your thing? That's when these are not a hallucination. These are a simple issue. Do know the sex. Sex means revealed. How to be an again. That's mean you have thinking. Only thing. I think for I need. I how when I am an again. This is incomplete is thing. Incomplete is thing. That's mean you are fallen incomplete. That's so for need you need life. How to be an again. If I am an again in this planet, that's mean I maybe I got the answer. Maybe I got the that's mean sex. If you do not know the sex, that's mean you do not know the rebuild. You do not know rebuild our one decision how to be I am an again here. Second thing for and again if I am like a Isa alayhi salam or Imam Mehdi, and I got the second thing for third thing. I got the answer. A way is human to walk with like a what there a core imagination, core feelings what there like a sex. If you do not know the sex spell, how to be an again, how to be. That's mean your wisdom is like a poor imagination with what they're falling, where any kind of platform like a cow platform, like a whether you know the 18,000 animal are like a their pregnancy, their port. So for human have a single string port, where there if you do not know the real pale of sex, real pale of their any kind of rebel imagination, that means you are and again fallen time. So for you know the sex, cause of laws, sex gives the answer how to be rebel, how to be an again you and I am. And then we got the second thing answer, third thing answer, fourth thing answer. Once day this thing must be give the answer what the like a photon. Only photon for we want to be how to be an again. Only photon how to be human I am an again. These are animal demand. And here I am Fi demand is how to be photon and again. For we I am thing. We I maintain the sex. How to be duet. How to be revealed I am. That is the answer. Maybe we have third imagination. Maybe we have third imagination. Maybe after photon have third imagination. But this are next. Third do not want to be know what the third imagination. What the third imagination? I call to know the sex spell. Sex spell must give the answer how to be you photon and again. Who the human, who the animal. Therefore must be same. Do know the duet X, do know the oral X, do know the nipple X. They must be give how to be human and again. This how to be human and again, and this human for how to be